So today we're going to be installing the Lasfit high beam bulb on a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. Again, this is the high beam. It's a very simple procedure. Remove the dust cap. Here you will have your bulb. This tab right here, all you got to do is push it up. You can see it moving there. You're going to push up and pull out. Once it's out, it's very simple to remove. Just pull straight out. That's it. So in comparison here, here's our OEM halogen. This is the Lasfit high beam bulb. Again, this is a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. Very small design, made out of aluminum. It's going to last a long time. Again, with these Lasfits, they do provide a cooling fan on there. Any bulb will get warm, so this will definitely help. I have heard from other companies that bulbs that don't have this fan in the back, it will actually melt. That's all plastic there, so it'll actually melt around here. You don't have that problem with Lasfit. This fan right here, it's quiet, you don't hear it. Keeps everything nice and cool. They will get a little bit warm, but with the fan, it helps tremendously. And now we're going to do an install. And so, installation, very easy. Got your plug right here. Take your bulb. These can go in any direction. Some LEDs have to go one way or the other. These can go any direction, I've found. And just plugs directly in there. That's it. All you do is you want to make sure that this tab right here is facing down. You don't want it to face any other, it won't go any other way. You can actually see right here and on this side has little fins, and those fins actually go in here and go in here. And you slide it right in. That's that. Here's the Lasfit high beam. And the camera is flickering, however the bulbs are not flickering. And there's the OEM halogen.